I also install a quick disconnect over here. So when I am initially starting the machine, I would turn on the water. So a lot of the carbons and dirty stuff will come out. So let it run for about 5 minutes. So that way all the carbons and junk, whatever's inside, they get flushed out nice and clean. So let it run for about 5 minutes. You can use this water if you for your garden or whatever. It's still good water. Now once you flush it out, then you connect it to your. I can mail you a set of these quick disconnect, which is good to change a filter later. So once you connect this, and you will install your Kangen pre-filters. Which is inside here. Initially when you install this brand new filter, you also again will want to flush it out for another 5 minutes. But first flush the pre-filter first, and then so that way the other chocolate doesn't come through here. This is a pre-filter so machine that you put in. The way it's when you get it from out of the box, you unlock this. Whenever you take this pre-filter out, make sure you see this O-ring came off. So make sure whenever you replace filters, you always want to make sure that the O-rings is attached to your machine. So on your brand new filter, when you install your brand new filter, you will you have the O-ring right there. So you put your new filter in like this, snap it in, and just lock it in place, and then you will let the water run for about 5 minutes, so that way there's carbon inside there too as well. I would also suggest, I'll send you the information about buying a pump. You can buy this pump from Amazon.com. It's a little giant pump, which you would need like once a month to clean your Kangen machine, because over time you will build up hard water on your platinum plate. So this is why I suggest that I will get you some quick disconnect, so that way it's easy to disconnect your hose here and connect it to the pump for cleaning. So this little pump you will use to clean using vinegar water, so to remove the hardness out of your platinum plate. I would just put this inside here, put this water here, and I will put all the pipe inside here so that the motor will, and I'll fill this up to this, as high as this pump here, with vinegar. So all the water will, before you do that, you have to remove the pre-filter that's inside when you're doing the vinegar cleaning. But I will get you this connectors. But in your system, it also has this one. This is a dummy. Whenever you do cleaning, deep cleaning, or this is basically it's like a plastic container that is in your part of your kit. It's for cleaning purpose, so you don't waste using the filter. So the water will just recirculate through this pump. The water will come up through this pump, and then it will go through the plate and come out. All the water comes, just recirculate for about 3 hours. We're using vinegar water, so it will remove all your hardness water. In Southern California, we have a hard water problem. So before you do this cleaning, you again will have to remove this filter first. Again, whenever you remove the filter, but you don't, you make sure again the O-ring fell out. So I need to get my O-ring out. And then the cleaning canister, which there are 2 O-ring, make sure. And there's no O-ring inside. And I just put this inside here. And put this ring back. And lock it in place. So now this system is ready to run the vinegars. So you will fill the vinegars this high, submerged, so that way the motor will not run dry, and it will just run in vinegar to remove all your calcium buildup on the platinum plate, which is good to do once a month. I will help you get this connector. It's kind of hard to find, so I know which hardware store to buy this from, and also I will get you the these quick disconnect, so easy for you to do the cleaning once a month. As you notice, there's a male and a female, so I suggest you put a male where the faucet is, and also a male where the end of the pump is, so that way you cannot make a mistake in connecting the machine to this, and also make it convenient to plug right inside. Let me see. Okay, anyway, call me if you have any question.